Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for QQQ. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 16, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell QQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 16, 2022, our system ranks the QQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -0.778. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, Stronger technical forecast for QQQ ETF price after Friday trading. The QQQ ETF price fell by -0.61% on the last day, Friday, September 16, 2022, from $291.10 to $289.32. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.44% from a day low at $285.62 to a day high of $289.72. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -3.37% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 11 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 78 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $22.60 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $269.28. Right now the price is 29.21%, or $119.39, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 7.86% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 7.86% and 27.62%. The 12-month trend indicates a -25.05% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -36.76% and -15.79%. This equals a price between $182.97 and $243.63 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. There are few to note technical positive signals at the moment. The QQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $298.36 and $312.27. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -13.13%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $285.65, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $4.10 between high and low, or 1.44%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.93%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.86. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $293.70. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $285.65, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $277.43, minus 4.11%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 23 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a buy? QQQ holds several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 19th, we expect QQQ to open down minus $1.10 and start trading at $288.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.